This is Stephen Watson. I'm a targeted individual. I get hit with DEWs, directed energy weapons, also termed DE, directed energy intermediate force. That would be the less lethal version of the military's directed energy weapons. And it's intended to inflict pain, and it's supposed to be a stealth weapon. And I'm targeted a lot to the bladder, the stomach, which causes incontinence, and it also causes diarrhea. I'm recording this as evidence of my stomach targeted and having diarrhea. So let's film the process, the result of these directed energy attacks. I could feel pain to the stomach, all around the stomach. It's not a physical health element. It's from an external source, a weapon the U.S. government is using against citizens to violating human rights. Cruel and unusual punishment, and the degrading treatment of people, what is considered torture. Here is the result of the intermediate force. There you go. My feces or excrement is has kind of a creamy texture to it. I did poop earlier today, experiencing pain around my stomach, and it was very similar. And on bad days, it's hard to take, one poop a day to get it all out, because it affects the intestines or stomach, digestive system, whatever it's called, where you have healthy poo or healthy doo-doo, where you could just use the restroom, have a number two once a day. But on bad days, it's hard to poop and get it all out. It's kind of like a diarrhea type sensation. And that is what is occurring. Nothing is being done about it. Civil liberty organizations, they're all into the woke, culture war politics. The international community is silent. The UN in 2023 released a report on directed energy, claiming a lack of legal framework. So, unfortunately, for people being targeted like myself, who are marginalized, ignored, assumed to be crazy or whatnot, the abuse continues, and it feeds into this big defense contracting, intelligence contracting, surveillance state industry that we're currently living in here in a country that's supposed to be a free country, where citizens are sanctioned and having their human rights violated. I believe it does involve an element of law enforcement, like watch listing fusion centers, as others have suspected. So this is just evidence I'm documenting, and it doesn't look good if you're targeted, but I believe in the eyes of the public, this is wrong behavior, And those who are doing it are in the wrong and would not be granted sovereign immunity or liability protections if exposed. If everybody knew what they were doing with these weapons, aiming them at the citizens.